Yeah, so this showed up in 5 minutes. There's a southbound coming. And then it turned to crap real quick. This is the way he's been all year. Cold and snowy. So, yeah. Another fantastic winter in upstate New York. But people are south of us are getting really hammered hard, so. Alright. That sounds foreign. It's already snowed an inch since I got here. I was going to film it in Lacona, but there's no place to pull over because the snowbanks are high, but the snowbanks in the winter and everything gets narrowed up. Like every time it snows and the plow goes by, the roads get narrower and narrower, and so I'm like, I'll go south and find it at the railroad crossing, hopefully get it blasting through snow. But I didn't realize the blasting through snow means it was gonna be like this and then just come out of nowhere. Anyway, I think it's 382. I'm not sure with that horn, so we'll see here shortly. Look at it come down. Just remember, it's only 18 degrees also, and the wind's blowing. Did I mention the weather sucks this year? Let's get back in the car. I'd say we're safer, but yeah.